In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain to Vercel and V0.Dev. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, open your preferred browser and navigate to Vercel's website. Vercel is a powerful platform that makes building and deploying high-performance web experiences remarkably easy, leveraging the AI cloud. Once you're on the page, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. That process is straightforward, and you just need to follow the on-screen instructions. With your account ready, take a moment to go to your Vercel dashboard. This is your starting point. You will find all your projects listed here, giving you a bird's eye view of everything you're working on. Identify the project you want to add a custom domain to and click on its title. Once inside your project dashboard, you'll need to head over to the settings section. This is where you'll find everything you need to tweak your project setup to suit your needs. And it's also where we'll be managing domains. So click on that settings option, then look for the domains tab. In the domain section, you'll see the option to add domain. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll be prompted to enter the domain name you wish to add. It's important at this stage to ensure that you've already registered your desired domain with a domain registrar. If you haven't, you'll want to do that before proceeding. Enter the domain name into the field provided and hit the continue button. If your domain is successfully added, Vercel will provide you with some DNS settings that you'll need to update wherever you registered your domain. This linking process allows your custom domain to point to your Vercel hosted project. Updating DNS settings may sound technical, but most domain registrars have a friendly user interface and clear instructions on how to make these changes. Once updated, it might take a few minutes to an hour for these settings to propagate fully. And there you go, with those simple steps, you've successfully added a custom domain to your Vercel project. Remember that having a custom domain enhances your brand's credibility and simplifies how users find you online. If you encounter any hiccup, Vercel's support documentation is an excellent resource, and their customer service is typically very responsive. Happy deploying, and I'll see you in the next video.